New tonight, a Montgomery County man isn't sure whether he'll be able to get a critical biopsy to see if his cancer has returned. He tells Megan Reyna that he's caught in the middle of a contract dispute between his insurance, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas, and Memorial Hermann Health System.
Jim Olson has found himself in and out of the hospital here at Memorial Hermann in the Woodlands over the last several years, battling stage 4 lung and brain cancer.
I had great medical providers up here in the Woodlands.
He had been in remission, but recently, during a routine checkup, he says the doctors found something and ordered a biopsy for next week.
It's now unclear whether that's going to take place or not.
On April 1st, Olson found himself in limbo when the contract between Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas and his hospital expired. He can still get the biopsy, but the costs would likely skyrocket.
You're not talking about tens of dollars. You're not talking about hundreds of dollars. You're talking about thousands of dollars. And it's just, for most Texans, thousands of dollars is a lot of money, if not an impossible amount to pay. And it's unacceptable. You have to choose between your mortgage and your health care.
Olson is planning on submitting a continuity of care request form, which is for patients who are pregnant, being treated for a disability, or facing life-threatening conditions. Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas says those customers may still qualify for in-network rates.
It's a Band-Aid on a gushing wound.
Ultimately, Olson trusts his doctors at Memorial Hermann and is worried if his cancer is back, he won't receive that same level of care.
It's a life-threatening situation they've put us in.
Both companies said in separate statements this week that they're open to continuing negotiations. However, when we reached out for an update on those negotiations Saturday, neither got back to us.
What do you say to the two companies who are at the negotiation table right now?
Get this done. They've been negotiating for 8 months, and it's unconscionable that here we are 8 months later, and I don't know whether I'm getting a biopsy next week.
Reporting in the Woodlands, Megan Reyna, KHOU 11 News.